What's up mga ka-momentum? Dalawang wall na naman po tayong pagagandahin at turn into masterpiece mga ka-momentum. Welcome back to our Facebook page and YouTube channel. We are here again turning your ideas into reality. We are Momentum Art Gallery. Hey guys! Na-miss ko kayo at alam kong na-miss nyo din kami. For today's mural vlog, ang gagawan po natin ay The Cuz Cafe located here at Quezon City. And as you hear mga ka-momentum, ang kailangan po natin gawin for today's video ay dalawang wall. So ayan, actually mga ka-momentum, after nitong dalawang wall na ito ay may pinagawa pa po sa atin sila ma'am. But ito lang po muna yung isi-share namin. So ito mga ka-momentum, kung gusto nyo pong makita ang transformation, make sure to watch until end. And huwag na po tayong magpatumpik-tumpik pa. Let's go mga ka-momentum and let's paint. Well, as you can see mga ka-momentum, we are already starting with our design for the first wall. And as always, we are present, the team Momentum Art Gallery. I'm with my mahal, Jess, and with our two assistant artists, Jen and Mai. We are now doing the first wall mga ka-momentum. And again, the design was executed by us. Ito pong design na ito ay sinend po sa amin ng aming client at ang amin pong trabaho ay i-execute ito. Okay? We want to thank Ma'am Amy and Sir Donald for trusting us to do mural painting for the restaurant. Thank you so much po sa tiwala na binigay niyo po sa amin. At dahil nga po mga ka-momentum, halos 3 artwork po yung ginawa natin dito. Maraming salamat po sa pagtangkilik sa aming services, sa amin pong talent, sa amin pong skills. With that being said mga ka-momentum, let's watch how we turn this wall into inspiring masterpiece. Stay with us mga ka-momentum. Alam ko mga ka-momentum na nabibilisan po kayo sa process. As much as I love to take a lot of vlogs last time nung pumunta kami dyan, may kasabayan po kasi kami ng mga construction workers, so I wasn't able to take a lot of vlogs kasi po maingay po sa background, and of course may mga kasabay po kaming construction worker. We don't want them to feel, alam nyo yun, mahiya kasi nagba-vlog kami, kaya ayan, almost patapos na po yung ating first wall. But you know mga ka-momentum, since medyo makulay po kasi yung nagawa natin, and yan naman po kasi yung nasa reference, ni-require po tayo ni Ma'am Amy na medyo ibahin po natin or i-adjust po natin yung ibang mga kulay dahil requested po yun ng ating client at sinabi po ng maayos. Yun. So ayan mga ka-momentum, in this part, re-retouch tayo or ina-adjust po natin yung ibang kulay ng mga dahon, ng mga leaves po natin. And nakikita nyo mga ka-momentum kasi sobrang ganda po nung in-improve niya. At dahil dyan, let's continue our painting.
Guys, whip! Ito yung detailed. Boom! Yan, diba? Detail yan. Ito pag walang detail. Ito pag may detail. Oh. Boom, panot ka, mahal. Ayan na guys, sweep natin. Update ko kayo later, okay?
And we also want to emphasize that we are thankful because Ma'am Amy and Sir Donald provided the accommodation for us. Because as you all know mga ka-momentum, we are from Tanawan, Batangas, way far away. Far away. sa Quezon City. Malaking bagay po sa amin na provided po ng aming client yung accommodation kasi kapag po malayo, sometimes they letting us stay on site. But since this restaurant is under construction, guys, there's no space for us to sleep at least. Kaya thank you so much po for providing the accommodations, guys. Nakapagpahinga po kami ng maayos. At kinabukasan nga mga ka-momentum ay nagpatuloy na po tayo. And for the second wall, mga ka-momentum, ang gagawin po natin is their logo, the Cuz Cafe logo. And take a look mga ka-momentum kung paano po natin ito gagawin.
Guys, ito na po. Dito na po tayo gumagawa. Ito po ay logo. Okay? So, yeah.
Before we finish this mural painting project, mga ka-momentum, Ma'am Amy and Sir Donald visited us, which means we are able to meet them in person. And they're so wonderful couple. Thank you so much, Ma'am Amy and Sir Donald, for letting us do these artworks for your restaurant po. It's our pleasure to serve you and to make you satisfied with our mural painting project. So, ayan, ito nga si Ma'am Amy, guys. Nabidyan ko. Pero yon mga ka-momentum, after this, pina-inspect po namin yung aming mga gawa and they approved it at ito na po ang ating finished mural painting project. Take a look mga ka-momentum and I hope nagustuhan at nag-enjoy po kayo sa vlog na ito. Until our next vlog mga ka-momentum, hanggang dito na lang po. Hasta la vista!
Ngayon mga ka-momentum, nandito na naman po tayo nagbabiyahe patungo sa ating project. Ayan. Andito na po tayo guys. Napakalapit na natin sa Love 123. Diyan na po yun.
Uy, the Cozy Cafe.
Stop mo naman po.